This is our schedule for this week. Monday, dinner. Tuesday, call. Wednesday, moving day. For Jackie, not us. 31, counseling. And skin art? Oh, what time?
14:30.
Oh, so you're just gonna go? And then Friday, Dua Lipa. And then Saturday, Kat's driving lessons at 5. And then Sunday, nothing. And it's gonna stay as nothing. Right?
I hope so.
Yun ang cherry blossoms. Ayan sila. Tingnan natin pag may umiiyak na bata. Ayan. Diba? Wow. Nilakaran namin nung last week, yung wala pa yung cherry blossoms. Pinakita namin sa vlog yun. Tapos, wala pa siyang mga flowers. Ano pa lang, like the branches. But, now, and then, ayan yung basketball court. Wow, ang ganda dito. Yan. Oh. Ganito yung mga flowers niya. Yan. Oh. Ito yung isang park. Nag-bloom na rin yung cherry blossoms dito. Yung park. Yan oh. Ang ganda ng playground kasi nakapalibot yung cherry blossom. Ayan o. Wow. Yung iba pa lang yung nag-bloom kasi marami siyang kinds. There's this pink one, there's a white one, and there's another kind I think. But this one blooms earlier than the others, but they stay for quite some time, like maybe a month. And yeah, so really nice. Things to do. Things to look at.
Po yung naluto ni Kim galing sa meal kit namin sa Fresh Prep. Ito yung top sirloin
Tagliata. I don't know, we don't know.
Yeah, but so ayan, marami siyang gulay and ako wala kasi nga hindi ako masyado magulay. But yeah.
I'm giving this away. There's a group on Facebook that if there's something that you don't want, you can post it on there, and then if another person wants it, they can come and pick it up. So that's what I'm doing with this one. On Wednesdays, I get free lunch at work, and there's usually more people at work, so you'll see in the following clips that there's food that was, I don't know,
Parang rasyon.
hindi, not given. May danalang food yung ka-work ko na Filipina din. May ginawa siyang, binake siya na brownie, mochi brownie, ube mochi brownie. So that was really good. And then,
Pag mochi talaga, masarap, no? Hindi yung pangkaraniwang ano lang. Yung na-try din naming mochi donut, masarap din yun.
yeah. Tapos yung lunch ko naman, sushi siya this week. So every week, we get different lunches for Wednesdays. Pag Wednesdays lang. And then, pag may mga malalaking meeting, we also get food. Pero, this Wednesday, it was sushi. Oh, I messed up my scheduling. So, I went to Jackie's apartment and I helped her move for the first night. And then, I also had my counseling session at like the library at their place. So, yeah. And then, I think that's it for Wednesday. Pretty busy day. On Thursday, I had lunch that Kat prepared the night before on Wednesday, and it was it looks like it's salad, but it's actually pasta. And then after work, I just was walking home, and then
Kasi hindi pala siya nagdala ng car. So, no mga panahon na nag-walk na pauwi si Kim, papunta naman ako ng first session natin ng facial treatment natin, guys. So, first session, wala pa masyadong ginawa, naglilinis lang sa mukha, but hindi, mga naglast siguro siya ng mga 1.5 oras, and then yun. Guys, for today, tignan natin.
Push it in.
Ah.
Yeah, so make your
It's a
skin-
cream?
cream. No, it's like a mask, shooting mask.
Ah,
Yeah.
nice.
So I'm gonna do light therapy for you. So you mind do you exercise?
Not really. Usually when I like feel like running, like maybe thrice or twice a week, just to keep me moving, because all day like in office you're always sitting, so you're like, oh, it smells so good. Wow. Hi, Mom. Wow. That's nice.
Your mom at Philippines, right?
Yeah.
After that, when she came home, we also went again to Jackie to do a second night of moving stuff. And we got most of it done
Nung gabi na yun.
nung gabi na yun. And
Mas naging mabilis na siguro kasi 3 na kami nagtulong.
yeah,
Tulong-tulong.
true.
So, may sistema na.
Yeah.
Kasi, isa lang naman yung car. So, kailangan may isa may iwan para mag-ayos. And then, maglo-load. And then, hatid balik.
Yeah, so that was our week this week. Today is Friday. When we're recording this is Friday. The rest of our vlogs will be like a daily vlog for the weekend because we have more time to
Take
vlog
videos.
and take videos and talk in our videos. So we just shortened our daily vlogs for the weekdays when we're working, but we still continue on vlogging and then document it and then go through it on Fridays to upload for Saturdays.
Yeah. So, siguro, sa mga daily vlogs namin, may mga maikikwento kami sa inyo or masashare namin sa inyo na mga nangyayari sa amin. Although, siguro yung mga highlights lang sa buong pangyayari. As mga nakatira or yung mga
Like day-to-day
dito sa Vancouver.
things in Vancouver.
Yeah.
Living here, working here, and doing everything here. So it's pretty cool. And then, so I think that's gonna be our schedule most of the time. So, any reflections for this week?
Reflections for this week, wala naman. Siguro, sa work, masyadong lang. Pero, I think normal naman yun. Pero yeah, abangan nyo kasi yung mga daily vlogs namin or yung mga updates namin sa day-to-day namin na mga gawain dito sa Vancouver, i-share pa rin namin naman sa inyo guys para makita nyo yung buong experience or yung dito na mga nangyayari.
It's just so hard sometimes when we're so busy because usually our schedule is filled for the weekdays. Like even after work that we completely forget or like we just lose track of what we're vlogging and then I just have a bunch of random videos on my phone. But yeah, we'll try to make it more consistent and better because we also don't want to just put out videos that are just like videos. You know what I mean? Still want them to be quality.
Yeah. Yung worthy naman din na ma-share namin sa inyo.
Yeah, so I think my reflection for this week is I don't know because I just thought about this now. Maybe to just take every day by day, if that makes sense. Yeah, like because it's so busy and like right now we're journaling our days, so it's really nice that we can appreciate it on Fridays when we're watching them again, but it's also nice when you're just in a moment.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Thank you guys.